Hello traders, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I promise it's going to be exciting. I'm going to be talking about how you can use Babypips effectively. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 tips that's going to help you to be able to maximize the benefits Babypips has to offer to you. As a beginner forex trader, using Babypips can be a great way to learn the fundamentals of forex trading. So in this video, let's consider 6 tips, okay, that will help you to know how to use Babypips effectively. Now I'm going to take you to TradingView where I wrote down the 6 tips. So the very first tip is start with the Babypips school. So let's go back to Babypips again, and this is a website, and you can see learn forex. Then you come down to how to trade forex, and then it brings you to School of Pipsology. So here is the courses all together. It's ranging from course 1 to course 11. So course 1 of 1 is entitled preschool. Course 2 of 11 is entitled kindergarten. 3 elementary. 4 middle school. 5 summer school. 6 high school. 7 undergraduate freshman. 8 is undergraduate sophomore. 9 is undergraduate junior, and 10 is undergraduate senior, and then the last one is undergraduate senior. Okay, so this Babypips school is an extensive educational resource that covers all the essential topics for beginner forex traders. I repeat, it covers all the essential topics for beginner forex traders. Okay, so go through the lessons systematically, starting from the basics. Okay, learn about the forex market, currency pairs, trading terminology, other types, and fundamental and technical analysis. And they are all embedded in these courses. Okay, from course 1, okay, you can see what is forex, how do you trade forex, when can you trade forex, who trades forex. And if you even go into the course 1, you can see that it has other subtopics embedded inside of each topic. So let's say, for instance, what is forex? Look at all the subtopics underneath. Okay, how do you trade forex? Look at all the subtopics underneath it. Okay, let me take you down to elementary, okay, where it talks about technical analysis, because support and resistance is technical analysis. If you go back again, you see support and resistance level, Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci, moving averages, popular chart indicators, and you go in. Okay, yeah, just 5. So look at course 3.1 that talks about support and resistance. Here are the subtopics under support: trend lines, trend channels, how to trade support and resistance, psychological levels, okay, trading support and resistance summary. And then you have Japanese candlesticks, and look at all the subtopics underneath Japanese candlesticks. Fibonacci, look at all the subtopics under Fibonacci. Moving averages, look at all the subtopics. Okay, popular chart indicators, Bollinger Bands, okay, BB trend, Keltner channels, the MACD indicators, moving average convergence divergence, okay, parabolic SAR, okay, stochastic, relative strength index, Williams, and like it's so packed that you can benefit yourself maximally if you go through it. This is just the technical analysis part of the School of Babypips, okay, and to learn about the fundamentals analysis part, you have to come to undergraduate freshman, where you talk about market sentiment, trading in news, carrying news, down to the US dollar, intermarket correlations, and again it has lots of subtopics underneath each topic. Okay, so take your time very well to go through this Babypips school. Like we said earlier on, it covers all the essential topics for beginner forex traders. So go through the lessons systematically, starting from the basics, from the beginning, and endeavor that you get to graduation. Okay, it's very important. Graduation will help you to know the kind of trader you are, or you should be. In fact, there are 4 types of traders. You have the swing traders, you have the day traders, you have the intraday traders, and then you have the scalp scalp traders. Okay, so the second point we want to consider on how to use Babypips is participate in Babypips forums. So how do you get to the forums of Babypips? So let's go to the beginning here, and when you say learn forex, so you have learn crypto, and then you have forums. So you just click on forums. I'm opening it in another tab. Okay, and it will open the forum page for you, and you can see lots of topics here that are also covered here. For instance, beginner questions, candlestick and chart patterns, trading psychology, trading discussion, chart art, news and economy, risk management, trade journals, prop firms, trading lifestyle. There are lots of topics you want to have answer to. You can come here and go through it. For instance, let's just go through psychology. Okay, and look at all of the questions people are asking here, and under these forums, when you go in, okay, you can benefit yourself a lot. So the Babypips forums are a vibrant community of forex traders, from beginners to experienced. Okay, so participate in the discussions, ask questions, and learn from the experiences of other traders. The forums can be a great way to source for insight from other traders who have been in the markets, in the business for a long time, and you can learn not just insight, you can learn strategies and also more trading tips from them. Okay, so the very third step we're going to take that will help you to use Babypips very well is use the Babypips Forex Glossary. So let's go back to our site, Babypips, and then go to Learn Forex, and then look at Forex Glossary over here. So I'll just open it in a new window, and here is a Forex Glossary, and you can begin to see lots and lots of terminologies that you are not yet acquainted with. Okay, and you can begin to click on any one of these and learn what they actually mean. It's very, very important, and it's a great way for you to begin learning Babypips as well. And in fact, this will help you to be able to max out the potential benefits that Babypips holds for you. So the Babypips Forex Glossary is a comprehensive reference for forex related terms and concepts. So when you come across an unfamiliar term or concept, refer to the Forex Glossary to understand it better. Okay, I hope this is beneficial for you. Now let's go to the next step that will help you to know how to use Babypips effectively. And the very fourth step is practice with the Babypips Forex Simulator. Now I couldn't find a Babypips Forex Simulator. I doubt it exists. Okay, but what I can advise you is that you download MetaTrader 4. So here is an MT4. Okay, just open a demo account, and you can begin to buy and sell. Okay, you can begin to click buy and sell and practice. In fact, I will encourage you and advise that you practice while you study forex trading with Babypips. Keep trading, just be trading with a demo account, mind you, not with your real life money. Okay, so just be trading. Let me put a very big lot size here and see how far it will go before we finish our course, our tutorial for today. So go to MetaTrader, or just type MT4 or MT5 rather on Google, and then download MetaTrader. Let's just do that real quick. Let's go here, let's go to Google and then type in MetaTrader 5. So here we are. You just come here and click on the MetaTrader 5. It will take us to the website, and then you can now see download MetaTrader 5. Okay, so this is just it. So download and run it on your laptop, and you are good to go. You will have the MetaTrader 5 opened up like this. Okay, so we're already in profit in this account history we just took. Now let's move to the next lesson, the next level, the next point we have to consider in order to use Babypips effectively. So the fifth point is that you want to follow the Babypips blog. Okay, so you can go back to the website and look for the blog. Where is it again? I think it's on the news here, somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, go to the news, and then you just follow up whatever it is that they are posting every day. Okay, and you can be beginning to see, you know, the what other traders, professional traders, are doing, and how they analyze the charts, what they are expecting, and you can be able to also tailor your trading according to their advanced analysis over here. For instance, let's just go through this one, the broad market recap. So you see headlines, euro areas, and all this. Okay, so just go through, and let's go back again to the blog and see if we can get something better. Let's see this report. It's a report. Okay, here weekly recap from June 8th to June 12th. Weekly recap. So here is a weekly recap. Is an article. Okay, and then you go through it. So whatever helps you, okay, you can also even come to trade and see, you see trade ideas here, and you can click on any one of these charts, any one of these. Just click on any one of this. Is the blog, right? And then you can look at what these people who are, you know, professional traders as well, because Babypips only posts, you know, content from professional traders. And in fact, this guy Nico, I've known him for, I've been looking at his chart for a very long time. He's been very, very helpful to the community, and he's a professional technical analysis trader. So you can go through his charts. Okay, just come to trading, and you know, look at whatever post is there, and see what you can learn, okay, from those charts. So the Babypips blog, okay, features articles, tutorials, and market analysis that can help you to stay up to date with the latest Forex trends and developments. So learn from these experiences and the insights of the Babypips team and other contributors. It is very, very essential and helpful. So now let's go back to our next point that will help you to know how to use Babypips effectively. So the 6th point is develop a trading plan. So on your own, you'll be able to develop a trading plan. I promise you that. In course, what course is that? Let me help you out, figure it out. Yeah, in course 9 of 11, it says create your own trading plan. So you see, if you do not go through the course, you will not even know that you'll be able to create a trading plan of your own that will suit your personality, suit your trading style, suit your time, and suit the kind of trader that you are. So endeavor to go through this course, and it is so packed, okay, because I believe the people who put this course together, they want you to succeed. Why? Because there are lots of BS out there, especially on YouTube, that will tell you, oh, go through this thing and that and make XYZ of money. Forex trading doesn't work like that. I promise you what, Forex trading has destroyed many millionaires. Plenty of people who own lots and millions of money, they've been destroyed. Why? Because they didn't take their time very well to build themselves on the basic and essential foundation of knowledge that will enable them to, you know, max the market to their benefits. So do not be like those persons who came to the forex trading for fun. No, this is not a game. It is not Fortnite. This is a real life business that can help you, in fact, take you from, you know, the level of a pauper to a multi-millionaire, earning 6 figures, 8 figures. There are a lot of people who do that. They earn 6 to 8 figures from trading the forex market. So it's a very serious business, and you need to take it seriously as well. So do your best possible to go through the Babypips course very well, step by step. No matter how long it takes you, endeavor you go through it. Now, if you need a teacher, somebody to help you go through the course and to just make it easier for you, okay, so you don't have to go through the stress and the painstaking effort and everything, you can hit me up, private message me or private chat me. I am going to teach you the course. Like, I'm not going to jumpstart it, but I'm going to teach you, okay, every step by step, but in a quicker and a better mode. Okay, so we're going to discuss it together, but it's not going to be for free. It's going to come at a cost. Okay, so that's how I can help you. So as you are able to develop your trading plan, you'll be able to see that there are lots of educational resources, okay, that will enable you. So you start developing your own trading plan that aligns with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your trading style. The Babypips resources can help you understand the key elements of a trading plan, such as entry and exit strategies, risk management, and money management. Now, this is the last tip we are going to take for today, okay, on how to use Babypips. Now, remember, Forex trading requires a lot of time, patience, and consistent practice. Consistent practice. You know the meaning of consistent, yeah? It means you have to continue to do that thing repeatedly, again and again, over and over, again and again, okay? You practice what you are learning consistently. So use the Babypips resources as a solid foundation, but also be prepared to continuously learn and to adapt as you gain more experience in the forex market. So I hope these 6 steps are beneficial for you. I hope you found them helpful. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and until I come your way again, I wish you success.